Good morning, beautiful people. How are you today? I just finished my finals. I'm supposed to leave around 7:30. It is currently 7:10, so I got another 10 minutes before I can go over to my friend's house, and we're gonna go start driving. This is now late. I got no response out of that. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I'm just like trying to like.
Alright, so we're picking up our friends right now.
Get out of the freaking house!
Okay. It looks like Alpha seems to be desperate at this point. There they freaking are. There they are.
They're ready. Look at.
Wait, hold on. Let me lower the window. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
For being late.
And a little Darth Vader thing.
Aw.
Plug this in.
What?
Plug it in.
Where?
There.
Here.
Carport.
Hold on, I'll get out of the shotgun.
That's the quality footage we need. Thank you.
What?
We're not going to be able to remember this road trip unless we remember how much the gas costs.
There you go. Oh, we're exceeding 20. Oh no!
So it's raining. Well,
Yeah.
it's sprinkling.
It's raining, sprinkling, whatever you want to call it.
Did I give someone the coupons?
No,
No, you have them.
you have them.
Oh.
I don't remember giving them to you.
That looks like it's haunted. No. Want to play some pool? Just done with the arcade. How's everything, guys?
Pretty fun so far. You know, I might be getting really sick.
Yeah, you're really gonna die after this. I don't think you're gonna make it to graduation.
Window shopping.
Eddie's just like stalling at this point.
No,
You're stalling.
No, take care of Teddy's dream first, and then we can shop.
What's your dream, Teddy?
I want to go in the vault.
Ooh, the button. Ooh la la. So I just tried this dress on and it is freaking amazing. We're here at this really expensive dress place. So I already found my prom dress that I could have worn and I'm really sad. I really want this dress. And I also found my wedding dress that I could have worn or I will wear. Isn't it so cute? We are now gonna go get out of here because me and Awful have been pestering about this place and then we're going to eat some sweets.
Made yourself indispensable. Well, I heard you got a special someone on the side, bird. Is that so? What do you try to hide, bird? I should go. No.